guys, just wanted to share some little bags that I'm putting into my Etsy shop today. And what these are, they're just, I don't know, remnants or snippets of just some tulle, doilies, lace, appliques, maybe some crochet trim. I can't remember what I put in them, but they're all pretty much the same. Actually, they are all the same. They've all got the same stuff in there. Just the only thing that may differ is some pieces may be smaller or larger, and some of the shapes of fabric may be cut differently. You know, one might be rectangular, one might be squarish. Anyway, so I've only got 5 bags, so I'm going to put them aside and I'll just go through one. Okay, so these are those craft bags, and I'll pack them and send them in these. But I'm going to flatten the bag because it's gusseted, and I'll try and get it into a large letter envelope. I'll refold the fabric so it's smaller in there, just to keep the postage prices down. Okay, let me chuck that aside. Okay, so I'll go through what's in there. I'll try to do the larger pieces first, I suppose. Okay, this is just a length of tulle. So this board is about 50 centimeters, just under. So, and this is scrap tulle of wedding dress veils. Actually, it could be the veil or the skirt, the inside lining of the skirt as well, of wedding dresses that I've been cutting up. Okay, so there's a length of that. There's one of these. This is really pretty. This is actually off a really old tablecloth, and the tablecloth, it's quite thick. It has all different, actually this is the right side, it has all different shapes on it, and I've cut 5 of the same feather shape out, so you can use it as one piece or cut it into separate little pieces. But I just thought it's really pretty. So there'll be one of those. There'll be one of these doilies, and this is just cut off a larger crocheted tablecloth as well. One of these, and this is also off a crocheted tablecloth. This is a piece of a wedding dress. It's actually the bottom part of the skirt, or the dress. And this is, I'm not sure, I heard someone say the name of this technique, but I can't remember. But it's kind of like a string on top of the fabric. It's really pretty. There'll be one of these. This is also off a wedding dress. Little doily. This is a crocheted tablecloth as well. I've got these glittery gold pieces off this fabric I was cutting up. This was, look, I can't remember. I had cut this up for something I was making a year or 2 ago. I have a feeling it was an old curtain. You can use it as a trim. This colour, it's a tan colour there. It's not actually gold. Don't know if you can see. I can't remember what I was making with that. James, you might remember. I have a feeling You might remember because I always show you my little projects. Okay, this is off a wedding, actually no, this was off a flower girl dress. So on top of the dress was, I don't know if this is tulle as well, but it's really fine. And had a little dress bit over the top of the main dress. And the bottom was gathered with little flowers. So I've put a little piece of that in each one. This is some gold fabric. It doesn't come up really well on camera. It's really pretty though. It's just a little piece. I don't have a lot of that left, so I've just got one little square in each pack. This is also wedding dress lace. So I did have some wedding dress lace and applique packs in my Etsy store a while back. They're only Australian $20 packs, but I know a lot of people may not be able to afford that. So these are just smaller packs. Not all of it is, as you can see, wedding dress lace and appliques. But if you don't have lace, this will give you a good mix. And these will only be cheap. These are cheaper packs than those. This is some lavender lace. I can't remember what this is off. But yeah, it's got 3 layers. I don't think it was a tablecloth. It looks like, I don't know, it looks curtain-ish, but maybe it was. I really can't remember, but it's got bottom layer, some ruffled satin there, and then a little lace piece on top. It's really pretty though. Just the length of this lace. I don't remember what that is off. Most of my lace and stuff like that, I pull apart off dresses and stuff like that. Or I may find in larger rolls at a recycle centre. This was a small piece of wedding dress lace as well. This is some peach lace. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of shiny. This one I didn't have a lot, so I've only managed to put a small piece in each pack, but it's a very pale blue, and it's a lot wider than the normal lace. Not sure what this was off, I can't remember, but it's kind of ruffled. Okay, this is just some very narrow pink lace. It's a white lace. Sorry, I know I'm not giving sizes, but most are 30 centimeters and over, apart from these smaller. Some are 60 or more, like these or this. This is off wedding dress. Now these are the pieces that are different shapes because I had all these tiny little panels in different shapes. So each pack has a piece, but it's cut in a different shape. And one pack, the piece was smaller, so it has 2 smaller pieces. But the rest have a piece roughly this size. There's a beaded applique. And it's still on the tulle. But you can see it's stitched on the back, so if you want, you can take that off. Just be careful if you take the stitching off, because this stitching looks like it's not only holding the applique to the tulle, but it's also holding the beads. So you might want to just use some hot glue or something if you take it off. You've probably seen this on my channel before. This is some really old wide stretch blue lace, so it's yeah, actually it is stretchy. So it is stretchy, it's very wide, and the edges it's all discolored because it's quite old. And it's a pretty little flower pattern. I'm not sure what this is used for. The seamstresses out there may know, but it's stretchy. But if you're a junk journaler, you just use it on your embellishments or journal, in your journals down the sides of the pages. And I don't know, it looks bright pink on camera, but it's actually quite a dark pink. Well, this was just off some old linens, some vintage linens, and it's got just embroidered flowers. So the cotton material, it's really thin, you can see. It's machine embroidered as well, but it's really pretty. You can cut that into 3. And there's some pink eyelet trim. Okay, and that's it. So these little packs, they'll be available in my Etsy shop shortly after this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.